Here are solutions to homework set number 13 for ECE 476 Advanced Embedded. In this homework set, we're going to build a simplified craps game, but instead of using Bluetooth like we did last week, now use a Wi-Fi interface. So here's what it looks like. I am connected to my cell phone. My Wi-Fi interface is the Pi Pico. It's doing a AP mode, creating a wireless network. On my cell phone, I connect to it as 192.168.4.1. And for my cell phone, I can do things like, let's place a bet. I'm going to bet $7 to win. Hit submit. I have a bet of $7. The die is being tossed, and I won. The display on Wi-Fi is always delayed by 1. I'm not exactly sure why, but I had to fix that. Now let's bet $8. Bet $8 to win. On a 7 or 11, I win. I rolled a 9, so the point is now a 9. I'm in the on phase. I can let's bet $10 on 8, $15 on 6, submit. There's my side bets on 10 and 16. I got a 6. At that point, the 6 paid off, 1.2 to 1. And I didn't hit the point, or an 8, or the 9. So I can hit submit and roll the dice again. There's a 7. I lost. So now it's back to the off phase. Bet $6. It shows up on the screen. This is always delayed by 1. I rolled a 10, so it's now the on phase. My point is a 10. Let's bet $10 on 8. Oops. Let's bet $5 on 8. $5 on 6. It's going to ignore the bet on win. You can't bet on to win when you're in the on phase. I rolled a 7 again and lost. So that's the game of craps. It's on my Pi Pico, connected to the cell phone through a Wi-Fi interface. Now to do that, I first connect to my Pi Pico. Here it's called Pico Network. I create a web page. This has a table with various parameters and some text fields where I can bet to win, bet on 8, bet on 6. This code is HTML coding that sets up the heading, sets up a table, sets up a bunch of frames for text frames. The net result is a web page that looks like this. A bunch of HTML coding. Had to go through W3 schools to figure out how to change the font size. The LCD display displays the die roll, your bank, how much you're betting to win, the game status, the point, bet on 8, bet on 6. That's the following code using the LCD driver from Bison Academy for the Raspberry Pi Pico. Updating the web page, as I'll read in the web page, passing parameters, and those get replaced into here. To respond, this will wait until I get a ping for my cell phone. When I get the ping, if it's an FAB icon message, I will strip out the first 3 messages, the bets to win, bet on 8, bet on 6. Start rolling the dice, and if you're in the off phase, then I'll accept a bet to win. On the on phase, I'll accept bets on 8 and 6. If there is no bet to win, it will clear everything out. On startup, occasionally there's no bet to win, and it's pointless rolling the dice if there's no money on the table. To calculate winning and losing, in the on phase, if I roll a 7, I lose. A 6 or 8, I collect my side bet. If I hit the point, I win. Otherwise, nothing happens. On the off phase, I win on 7, 11. I lose on 2, 3, 12. Otherwise, I switch to the on phase with a roll. And the net result is Bluetooth Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi craps. Let's bet $50 to win. Let's see, I'm down to $16, so let's bet $10 on 8, 5 on 6. We're going to go all in on this one. Got a 9. Nothing happens. You need to get a 4, 6, or 8. There's a 10. Nothing happens. Roll the dice again. Got a 5. That was close. Still nothing happens. Okay, notice the display is delayed by 1. 12. 4. I got my point. The side bets get returned. And the bet to win is being held at 50. If I bet 0 to win, let's bring that down to 5 to win. The extra money from the bet to win goes back into the bank, and I've bet on 5. So that is Wi-Fi craps.